Hey everyone, so today's story is just about sharing God's comfort. It's 2 Corinthians 1, 3 to 4. And so the first thing you'll do is just give them, they'll probably have to cut it out, but you'll give them a little cardstock heart and a piece of foil. And so what they're gonna do is just take the heart. Now, I think it's easier if you cut some of these areas so you can kind of cut that down. And you're just gonna fold the foil around and you can kind of rip off or cut some of the extra. And you're just folding the foil around the heart. And just like that. And then you're going to use Sharpies to make sort of a stained glass effect. So that's what it looks like. I took and kind of taped a few pieces down on the back. And you can cut some extra off on the back as well. So they can write, I wrote the bottom line, comfort others the way God comforts you. You can write comfort others. They can just decorate it. But this is just kind of a reminder that, so Paul wrote in the letter to Corinth that, like we need to comfort others and that God is our source of comfort. And because God's our source of comfort, that's why we can show comfort to others. And so this is just a reminder of us to show comfort to others and that where our comfort comes from as well is from God. And also it's kind of fun because if you took and got like your flashlight here, if I can get my flashlight, then also the foil is reflective. And so when we're comforting others, then we're reflecting the light of Jesus as well. So that's kind of a fun thing to add on there. Second activity, if you have a little bit of extra time, is you'll just have the kids stand in a circle. You'll have like a blanket or a stuffed animal. And so just, remind them where comfort comes from. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have whoever's holding it say the bottom line, which is comfort other the way God comforts you. And then, squeeze it and then start passing it. And as you pass it, you'll stop the kids and then you'll have questions. So the first question is, what words could you say to help someone that's feeling sad? And then if someone else has an answer to that, they can jump in as well. And then you pass it again, randomly stop. Whoever's holding the blanket is the first one to answer the question. So you just have a list of questions and just, have a good discussion with the questions about how we can comfort others and how God comforts us. Thanks.